to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a marble texture in Photoshop. It's really simple, really cool, really fast. So let's just get started. We are going to go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Oops, mistake. Make sure that your foreground color is black and the other one is white, because otherwise it'll get the light parts from the color you have in the back. So if you have a dark color, then it won't make sense. So make sure black and white. So let's go back, filter, render, clouds. All right, that's better. If you don't like how it's turned out, you can do that again. Okay, I like this better. I don't know why. Then gonna go to filter, render, difference clouds. All right, you're then gonna go to adjustments. Let's go from here. Image adjustments, and we're gonna go to levels. All right, we're gonna leave this at 0. This we're gonna put at 4. It's basically the middle cursor. You can also move it from here, and this we're gonna move up as well till you get something like this, which already kind of looks like marble. You're then gonna go Command J to duplicate your layers and Command J again to duplicate it. We're going to go on our middle layer and we are going to select our blend mode to screen or lighten, and the top one is going to be a darker color, or you can play around with it. There's no rule on which one you got to use, but definitely use a blending mode. It makes it feel more realistic. Actually, luminosity looks good for mine. And that's it. It's done. It's literally that easy. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like the video. Comment if you have any tutorial requests, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post my graphic design work, and on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these tutorials. Thank you. Bye.